Hi, welcome to the Crafts channel. My name's Corinne Brad and today I'd like to show you what you can do with the plastic bags that are the bane of our existence at the minute. Now if you buy any sort of magazine with a free gift in it, you'll find that it comes in a beautifully printed plastic bag to make sure everything's great when you get it home from the shop. But really we need to try and do something to cut the use of plastic. So what better way than to turn it into something else? So they're quite slippery. What's really handy though is if you've got a rotary cutter and rule, you can simply cut the top and bottom off your bag and then cut this bag into sort of 2.5 centimetre, sort of 1 inch wide strips. Now this isn't going to make you ditch the plastic altogether, but it is going to give another use to single-use plastic. Once you've got your strips, they form a loop like so, and what you can do is you can loop them together with a lark's head knot. Now I'd suggest that where you've got the join on your bag at the sides, try and put that so that it's offset. If you do it right at the end or both bits in the middle, you will it will make it a bit weaker, because if you pull it too tight it will split. But you can simply join them by pushing this loop through here. I don't know if you can see, it's clear plastic, and I'm sorry, I didn't think I should go out and buy coloured plastic bags just to make a video with. So loop it onto here like this, and then take that loop and feed it through that one, and it joins it into a yarn, which we now call Plarn because it's plastic yarn. You save up enough plastic bags and you can make a ball of Plarn that you can then crochet with. Now I've got here, this is a 6mm hook, and you can crochet with it just like you would yarn. So make yourself a slip knot to start with, like so, and then simply round the hook and through. Now you're not going to be as quick at this as you would be if you were using like a double knitting wool, because it does stick to your hands. You do get knots in the way, but once you get used to it, and once you get used to keeping your tension fairly loose, you can make yourself a ring, like so. Oh, I really left myself too long an end there. And then you can double crochet into the ring, now if you've never done crochet, we do have some videos that are already online to show you how to do a chain stitch, a double crochet, a treble. They're very easy to follow, but it is simply, if you ever did finger knitting when you were at school with lengths of yarn, you just have a loop, you wind it round, you pull it through, you wind it round, you pull it through. It's one of those things that really practice makes you better at it. I've tried to teach various people how to crochet. I did finally succeed to get my daughter to crochet, badly. But once you get the hang of it, you can make yourself a ring from this Plarn, and then just crochet into the ring to make a mat or a bowl, increasing the number of stitches as you do so, because obviously the circumference of a circle gets bigger and bigger. So if you've done 6 stitches into your first ring, when you go on to the next ring, work 2 stitches into each of those stitches to make 12. When you get to the next side, work 1 into the first stitch, 2 into the next stitch, so you get 18. So it just builds up slowly like this. And whether you want to make a mat or a bowl, it's entirely up to you. It depends how many plastic bags you've got. And in no way go out and buy plastic bags to make Plarn. Just have a word with your neighbours and your friends, have a look in the cupboard under the sink, because if you're anything like me, you've got plastic carrier bags going back to the 1970s, and make something useful out of them. I believe in Australia they are collecting single-use plastic bags and they're cutting them into strips, and they're actually crocheting them into homeless mats, waterproof mats for homeless people, which is a great way. It doesn't rid us of plastic, but what it does do is it gives us single-use plastic another purpose, and that's got to be a good thing, because they reckon every bit of plastic that's been on the planet is still on the planet, and that's quite a scary thought. So I'm just going to continue crocheting 2 stitches into each of these, and you can see it does build up quite quickly. If you've got enough plastic bags, you can make yourself a new recycled shopping bag, which is very lightweight as well, because I mean plastic doesn't weigh anything. So have fun with it. Once you've got enough plastic bags, you can create something like a little pot. This is not the best pot in the world, because as I say, I really struggled to get hold of enough plastic bags to do this. But you know, you can have it as a pot that you can just put on the side to store your work in, to store your ball of Plarn in. Have a look, see what Plarn you can make out of the plastic bags that you have in your house. Mix and match the colours. You could make a bath mat with it, you could make a non-slip mat for the bath with it. But just make some use of the plastic bags that you've got left lying around the house. Hope you enjoyed this. A very quick video for you today, but we will see you again soon with some more great ideas from the Crafts channel. Thanks. If you've been inspired to create, please share your makes with us in the comments section below. And if you've enjoyed videos by the Crafts channel, hit the like button. Want to see more of us? Then click subscribe. See you next time.